All right, here we go with Operation Lightning. This is going to be common turn number 2, and we're going to jump into the CCP. So I'd love to keep going for the high money, but given this move here, the CCP just jumps on Hope if I do win it, and then there's nothing I can do about it. So instead, I think I go for Suyang. I have 3 in the bank, so see if we can spend 1 and go for that. Nope. Then we will recruit. Nope. We collect our 2, and that is it for their turn. Next, we will go to the Russians. So first off, they have their tech roll. We're going to go for more improved construction. That's 2 12s in a row. I like that die. But then the die, the question is, do I like this d6? And let's see if we can't send some good vibes. That's pretty good. I'll take a 5 up to 9. Then we will go into our purchases. We're going to buy supplies for both CCP and the Republicans. So I'm just going to show you do the CCP one now. So that one goes. Oh, they didn't move it. I texted in the thing that one correction of my turn was that this guy was here in Kyrgyzstan. But then nobody made the correction. I can use the international red air to go 1, 2, 3 and put it here. But then it just has to be, we have to wait until the CCP turn to actually make the upgrade. And when he comes back, he's going to go 4, 5, 6 into here. So that's that one. The other one will obviously go into upgrade one of these militia. But what I'm going to do is, this is a really interesting distribution here. And with the fighters all down here, we're going to attack it and see what happens. He's got me by like 3 pips, but my first unit to lose will be the AA, and I lose no pips, and then I start losing just 1 pip each on some of these other ones. So I don't know if I necessarily need to completely win it, but I need to wipe out all those units. This could be a really interesting battle here. And then otherwise, this guy can get mapped, but at least stop. Leave him there and at least stop Lend-Lease from the Italians. The Italians need to, or the Commonwealth needs to figure something out. That's a really, really weak navy. Even when you add this, it's still super weak. Okay, let's, from there, just roll this out. So he's got 2 first strikes at 3. Misses. I've got a 7. A 6. There we go, there's 1. I've got a 2 the cavalry. Hey, there's 2. And then I've got 4 ones. That's a double one. So 2 hits. I assume that he probably wants to preserve, so I'm going to take off these 2. I didn't ask for order of casualties. Maybe I should have. He's going to shoot back. He already did his first strike, so he's got 3 at 5 and 1 at 2. 3 at 5. Just 1 hit. And 1 at 2. Miss. So I like it. That is a great trade. And then, yeah, we'll press that battle again. So now we've got a 7. That's a hit. A 6. That's 2 hits. A 2. It's a miss. And then 4 ones. Just 2 hits. So 1, 2. And then yeah, he's got 3 5s. Ooh, that's 2 hits. And 1 3. So 2 hits. Let's go ahead and take 2 infantry. Okay, a 7. It's 1. A 6. That's 2. It's all we needed. And he's got 2 5s. That's 1 hit. We'll take the cavalry this time. Like that. And we'll come back. Like that. So, I like it. That one is pretty good. Right, then we'll roll our recruitment here on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. I will take an infantry actually. And I'm going to go ahead and make the upgrade to that 1 there too. So we've got 2 infantry, 2 militia, 2 planes all here. And then just these 2 there. Perfect. Yeah, that was the supply I already sent. A couple more non-combat moves. We've got these 2 ships going 1, 2, 3. This ship goes 1 to get ready to cross. This sub goes 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3. With that one, coastal comes down. So that's it there. Up here, go up. Up, up. So I didn't move that last time. It's locked. Rail. It's 1 rail. Down, 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 down. Rail. That's 2. Move 2. Step 1 forward. Step 1 back. Step 1 up. guess the one that was here goes up. We'll walk that one across. These three will go up here. And that's probably it. And collect our income of 9. So I spent all four, so that's it. We will hand it over to Japan. Cheers.